stuff. So look now, I'll reload this. You can right click to pan the camera, you can zoom in using your mouse wheel, you can click to move, and even better, this thing changes down here. So if I go here and I go here, and I change this to like art or something, it changes to that, and the user position's updating. So like look, right now it's negative 207 and 20. We do this, we reload, 271, 892. See, look, it works. So now I want to make it so that other people show up and they move around too and all that fun stuff. So yeah. What do we need to do first also? Who loves my error messages? Oh, and I also animated this. I can show you how that worked. I'm using tween.js. And what do we how do we even want to start? I mean, I guess it should probably be the music. What is that noise? Ooh, I don't like that. Well, so we want to be able to check and see. So we want to be able to let's compile. Let's check every second if there's been changes. And then generate JSON, and if it's different, send it along. You know what I mean? So we'll just do I guess we can just do connect, and we'll just do while true or while true, I guess. Sure. We should have a connected attribute or connected method. It's fine for now, I guess. Or I'll just add connected, add self.connected. Okay, so we're gonna have it no. And Asyncyo. Async. AS. Asyncyo. How do you pronounce that? Thoughts? Okay, that worked perfectly. Thanks. Or maybe it did, I don't know. Thanks to Baza's answer here. Credit where credit is due. And then I guess we can just test it. Is it waiting once? Yes. Perfect. Okay, so now we'll do we'll create a new function. This thing. Define get users. In circle. List of the users that are in our circle. So users equals user.objects.filter circle location circle. Isn't that what it is? I should probably look. Location circle, yep. Equals. Are we storing that at some point? Not. Me equals user.objects.filter username equals self.username 0 me dot location circle. So we have all of the users in the same circle, right? Let's just see what this is. Or I guess for user in users. We'll just get all their information for fun. So we should just get nothing. Oh, I have to call it. Get users in circle. It didn't do it. Whoa. It died. Why? Does it have to have a return? Is that just a rule? What? I don't think I understand all this async stuff. Is it gonna die again? It might do. Is it supposed to be in a wait? No. just not for anything because it's not there. Let's do put them both in technology. Is that correct? No. What? What is me.location circle? What? Why is this crashed? It's just angry now. Everything's crashed. Why is... What? Oh. Did I do something bad? Why did Bashtop just crash? Am I doing too much stuff? I don't know. Did I just start a ton of tasks or something? No, stop. We need to stop doing that. Is that just a thing? Like, is that really just collecting a ton of tasks? We'll have to see if that weird thing happens again. Does it just freeze up? Also, this probably needs to be bumped down a little. Sorry. It's not chewing up a exceedingly large amount of CPU. I mean, a couple cores are going, but I'm also streaming. But obviously we're still not getting our print and stuff. Do I need to be awaiting that too? Did I do all that wrong? What the? Is that gonna work at least? What the heck? What the heck? What if I stick a weight here? What happens then? Oh. Now it's spitting stuff. Is that what I should have done all along? Maybe. I don't know. Okay, so we're getting our 2 users. Perfect. That's all we wanted. 2 users that are in the same circle. So we'll clear all this. Okay. So we have our users. Now we're gonna create a... We're just gonna create a users JSON. How precise. And then we're just gonna say this. First, if user.username equals me.username pass. Otherwise, do normal stuff because we don't want us to also be included. That would be trippy. That would be bad. And then we're gonna make it. Well, we'll do this. We'll have it like this. We'll just create a list inside of this, filled with more dictionaries, which is gonna be like username, whatever, X is 100 and Y is 100, you know? So then we have this, and then we're just gonna create another one like this over and over and over again. So we're just gonna have it like, well, first off, this should be users. So we're just gonna say users JSON users dot append user snippet username equals user dot username x equals user dot x, y is user dot y, and we're just going to append user snippet. And then can we just return users JSON, and we'll just print it too. I can't spell. What just happens? Perfect. Except we're still including us, which isn't supposed to happen. That didn't seem. What if we just, at the end of all this, we just say users JSON users for item in if item dot item username equals me dot username print but we have multiple imports now. So it was removing one of them. So let's put that back, I guess. Oh. You don't know why? Say this up here. Boom, now we're getting the other user that's in there. How's that? So we're returning this now. So we're gonna say users in circle. Okay, so now we have a variable with all their users. So now we're gonna do it. Now we need a users in circle before. And I guess we'll just stick a if users in circle before. We'll just do this. Equals none. If users in circles before. If users in circles before does not equal users in circle, we need to add comments. As happened. New changes. Else no new changes. And then users in circle before equals users in circle, and then send whatever else pass. Print new. Print no. So we don't even need this then. Just do that. Alright, let's see if it works. New. No. No. Perfect. Precisely what we wanted. If I click. That's not working for some reason. Okay, it's getting it every time. And it's getting all those attributes. Oh. That's just us. I guess let's... What if we go... Open a new browser. Stick this in here. Log out here. Reload, log in as Jade Software. Nothing's happening, and also something's crashing. Can you tell? My tasks are dying. So why is it so laggy on Firefox, the animations? Of 3. But it's still saying no. Is Jade Software updating? No, it's not. What? Why? Am I updating? No. What? What? Why? Also, I wonder, is this going to be a problem eventually? Kind of CPU intensive is Django database query. This is kind of confusing me. Because this was just working. Why won't this mechanic work? Is it not receiving these? Is it like too busy or something? Or do I need to do that weird thing? Do I need to stick a weight on this? What? Why is it suddenly just not working at all? What? I swear it was just working. What if I comment all this out? What? Now it's working. Now it's not working. So for some reason it's blocking everything else. It's blocking receives. It's not receiving anything. At all. Why? Is it just not, is this thread just stuck? Is it just too busy? Can it not do anything else? You know what I mean? What if we do this? What if we call self dot update loop or something? And let's do this down here. What happens then? Now, nothing's happening. So same behavior. What if I don't await it? That's something worse, I think. What if it has to be an async function? What the heck? What? What? Django channels on connect start async function loop. Okay, this is similar to Mope. Nobody answered it. Wow. Thanks. Oh, nice. Come on. Come on. Thank you. I literally should have just been able to do this. You know what I mean? Like, this should just work. Just sticking this here. Like, I should just be able to await everything. Do I have to do an await loop? I still like something with my loop. Await while true. Like, Django channels loop. Just Django channels loop. Just let those work, I guess.
This couldn't happen again. This is that once in a lifetime.
I don't know.
This is the
It's just baffling to me. Do I just want to repeatedly call it or something like JavaScript? Like, what if I put all of this back? Just undo, undo, undo to there. And this just doesn't loop this. But then it just sleeps and then calls itself again. Is that legal? No, nothing's working. Okay, it's getting new every time for some... Yeah, because it's not even persistent. See? That receiver. I don't know what that means. All of your work can be done with standard Python libraries and patterns. The only thing you need to look out for is worker contention. If you flood your work with infinite loops, of course it'll all stop working. But that's better than a single thread of execution stopping the entire site. But how? I think ChatGPT knows. What do we think? Why can't I spell infinite? Infinite loop in Django channels. I want to constantly send data to the client from the server. Yeah, that's kind of what I wanted. you're never calling it. Yeah. Oh. You can create a task. Is that what we want? Perhaps. Perhaps. Self dot, whatever did I call it even? Update loop. Update. Oh. Update loop task. Does it just work? It's continually going, but it seems like it's restarting every time. And of course, this still isn't working. All of my other functions are blocked. Oh, maybe it's this nonsense, which is probably bad. Now it doesn't even call again. What? Oh, because it's not a loop anymore. So is anything getting received at all now? Oh. It is. Okay, is it getting written to the database? It is. So why isn't this kidding it then? You know? Oh, right.
What's your name?
I think that's working. I can't tell. I think that's correct. I guess we'll see. Let's make it print the new information then, instead. Okay, so that's good then. Cool. So we'll just get rid of all this nonsense. Okay, so if there was a change, so we know we need to send that along. So we have our users in circles, user in the circle. So we'll just append a type to it and send it along, right? Users in circle dot append type update users. What are these even looking like here? Position update. Users update, sure. So now is that working? Print users in circle. So it should just have a type attribute now. Huh. But it was just working, I swear. Oh. How do you add? Oh, can we just do like that? Heh. Or is that still a hard no? Add item, or add key value pair to dictionary. Oh. That's silly. Type. Can't spell equals users update, of course. It's just logic. Okay. And then we'll do await self.send users in circle. So now our JavaScript should start firing that it's receiving stuff. This can go on the bottom. And I need to fix this resizing bug. In code. Oh right, I have to do the dump thing. Send this. JSON.dumps. Okay, good. So now we're gonna see if where's my receive thing? No session? What? Oh, did my other one disconnect? Okay. That one's still fine. So, what did I call it? Users update. Just to confirm that it is indeed getting those packets. It's not. Maybe. Okay, now it did. But it shouldn't get one off that often. It should only get one when there's a change. Why? Come on. That's not correct. What's changing? Literally nothing. It just worked. Come on. mean, one of them has the. Oh, is it something to do with the type? But that wouldn't have happened yet. Oh, it happens on the next iteration. JSON to send equals. I just give it a new. Does that fix my problem? No? Is there an alternate way to do this? Can I just do this and then say, how about that? How do you avoid that? I feel like this should be easier. Oh, I lost my... You know what I mean? Ah. Python create a dictionary that doesn't reference the existing one, but creates a new one. Copy. Really? I don't believe it. Well, it worked. Okay. Okay, so everything's updating as it should. We'll get rid of all of these print statements. And all this extra unnecessary room. And then we should see. Okay, so it does it once. And then on this change, does it again. It's a little bit delayed, but can you believe it? We have 2 clients now. Now all we have to do is display it. So yeah, we're getting all our data that we possibly could need. So we need to figure out how to create new class object. But like live. Like, could we just do a like, for example, here, let's just do this. So like for user in console.log user username. So then we should get our one user undefined. Huh? But I just did that. Where's my other for loop? Not you. No, we need const. I always forget about that. Still undefined? No. That is incorrect. Oh, right, I have to do this whole messy nonsense. Don't I? Where's my other for loop? I keep losing it. So, user is just the item. So can we do... Because this returns an array. Right? Indeed. And then array at 0 is that. So we can just do user is returning this. And then we should be able to do username. Perfect. Okay. I mean, and obviously we're gonna have to do a bunch of things to figure out if they're there and if they're not, but that should be server side. I mean, I guess simply we could just have if disconnect removed from that circle, or stay in that circle and have an online thing. That would probably be the best way to go, an online attribute. So that'd be easy to do other stuff with later. Okay, but we have this. Now we need to draw a new class. So can we simply just do... I guess we need like a big variable somewhere. We'll put it next to scale. Users equals just an empty array. So then we'll add to that array. User class equals new user. User class dot x equals this. And then we'll do username as well. Hey. Hey. Stop. Okay. And then can we just say users dot append child user class, and then console dot log users? What happens then? JavaScript append to list, append to array, sorry. Push. How intuitive. It says no. Is that not the name of it? What did I give it? Users. Bar users. Ooh. Users.push is not a function. I'm not creating the array correctly. Look at that. Can you believe it? We're gonna have to do a whole thing to not do it if the user already exists. But for now, at the end of this, let's say for const user in users user dot draw. Is that what I have to do? User dot draw is not a function. Oh, really? Are you sure? I mean, it must be. Why would I stick that there, number one? User.draw 68. What does that do? 68 shifts it. Shift what? I have no idea. It doesn't have location circle. Okay. User class dot location circle. I don't know why I did that. User class dot location circle equals me dot location circle. Aha. Will it redraw now? My gosh, can you believe it? They're duplicating. Oh no. But look, it works. It does a thing. Can you believe it? We have 16 users now. Okay. Alright, let's change this up a little. If for user in user list item in users, for every item in that, if user list item if users user list item dot username equals doesn't equal JSON users user, then do all this. So it should only happen once now. because if nothing, of course nothing happens. Okay, so we need to like write this out clearly what we want to happen. Okay, so if it's the right type, if for each user object in the server's message, for each hang on. Okay. For each here, we really need to write this. If user in list users doesn't exist, create it. Doesn't exist already. I don't know why that made a difference. So we're iterating through that list, and then we're iterating through each in this, and we're getting its username. So we'll just print this. Not print. Wrong language. Okay, so what are we getting here when we do this? Nothing for some reason. Why not? Please. Okay, we have Jade software. Now for each list item in users. Oh, but it doesn't exist already. Because it's not gonna ever go. So do we even need this for loop? Or can we just do this? Because then we're gonna create one. This is one of those things that's really hard to mentally visualize, you know what I mean? If but a for loop's only gonna go for each item in there. Or do we need to do it for each of the things from the server and then iterate through that? You know what I mean? Iterate through the whole list of objects in the server. From the server and compares that to the existing list. Yeah, that sounds about right. But we're already doing that. For each object in the server's message, if Can we just check if it doesn't already exist? That's ChatGPT for this. Okay, so. Packet from server like this. Users may have multiple of them. List on client array JavaScript array on client. That's like users. That contains all users. Users have a value, have attributes X, Y, and username. Write JavaScript to check if of the things of the users from the server. Do we already have a matching user in the array? That was fast. How can it think of that so much? How did it do that so fast? Blah, 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 blah. John Doe. Of course it did that. Did I really overthink it that much? For every user, if user exists in client, yeah, I guess. So for every user that we get, if it's not there, add them. Yeah, that literally is all I have to do. User list item is not defined. Oh. Client users. Function user existing client. Oh, I see what we're doing. Users dot sum. User like that. User dot username equals username like that. if not. Like that. Oh, we got one of them. Ugh, this is a mess. Okay, yeah, let's do what it advises and put it into a function. I guess we'll just... What? Here. So if, I know we want to rename this to user exists in client. Why doesn't it let me do that? It shouldn't. Why isn't it rendering my underscores correctly? That's kind of funny. Okay, so it's not doing anything. If we reload this, I have no idea what it's doing. Okay, so now I'll do otherwise move it. So I guess we can just say this. Dot x equals this is so messy. We'll clean it in a minute. Why is it so messy? Can we run dot move? Will it work?
Again, this couldn't happen.
It didn't work. Dot move is not a function. Are you sure? Ah, it's gonna be messy. Stuff's not gonna work correctly. But maybe. Move is indeed a function though. True. Oh, because that's just returning it. And I do... ChatGPT. Okay, and how to do function user exists in client, but return the actual object in the array. Alright, so we can do find. Get user, and then we'll just do the same thing, it's literally the same. Come on. Come on. It returns it. And then it can't get its X. But it's doing something, right? Okay, well the position's moving, that's all that matters. It's not yet moving, because it can't get X. I don't know why. Why wouldn't it be able to? It should probably be this dot X. Come on. Still no? Why not? What line is that, anyway? 94 at start. .94 18. So what, like here? Yeah. Can we do? But why? That shouldn't happen. Should these also be this, maybe? Oh, what the? It has a circle object. Because that's what happens when you draw it, correct? Yeah, it generates a new circle, that's fine. But why won't it? Yeah, I'm sure this one's gonna do the same thing. Object is undefined. But we have an X value. What isn't working?
I was with some of my friends. Some, and I passed out.
I'm very confused. Very confused, very confused. Can we just console.log self this dot X? What happens then? It's getting it. It's fine. Cannot read properties of undefined reading X. This dot circle dot position dot X. This dot chords before move dot X. Do we not have? Oh, do we not have chords before move on this object? Is that simply it? I guess we'll go to where we click and figure that out. That's probably what I'm missing. Chords dot before move, blah blah blah. Can we just set this up over here? At least, like, maybe we can get one in.
At 14, I like to get high, skip school, and fight.
Chords before move. Oh gosh. That might be just what I wanted. Let's see. It's moving, but it's making another one for some reason. Which is incorrect. Why? And it's doing this all redundant. Oh, is it because there's what's happening? Stood sub probably shouldn't be doing. It may be because we're doing running this server update position. So maybe we need to create an other user below this that just doesn't have that. Is that enough?
35 pounds. Hey, he outweighs me by at least.
I never really
50,
hide any of this, but I should be. It's so much cleaner. 'Cause I obviously don't need any of this right now. So we'll create a new other user. A new other user. It's just making more of them. At least it's not duplicating anymore. So why are we making another one? It's not finding it in the list. It's not staying in the list or something?
That's not good at law enforcement. No unit site. You know that?
Stop. It's not Python. What is it getting? Other user. We created another user. User already exists, but then it just makes another. Is it not like redrawing maybe? Does it need to do that? I didn't think so. Am I missing something important here? I feel like it's making another one. Is it though? Because that wouldn't really make sense. But it's not creating another one. So why is it moving like that? Do I don't know. I shouldn't have to redraw the frame. Right? What the? Yeah, well, first step, let's clean this up, I guess. we can do, we can just say console.log moved. And then just see what happens, right? Moved, moved, moved. So what, is it not redrawing or something? Like, that doesn't even make sense. Like, what? Why? Wait a second, it worked the first time, didn't it? Yes. Then times after it doesn't? What? Why? Just comment it all out. What happens now? Why is it making more? Is it calling draw or something? Two? I don't see how that would make sense either. It is calling draw. Why? But user already exists. It shouldn't have to. Draw move. It's calling both? Alright, well, I don't know, I'm a bit confused right now. So I think I'll, I guess, just stop the stream for now and I can work on this later. But, yeah, I'll probably stream again tomorrow. I don't know, sorry for the shortish one. But I probably, I'm not being productive right now, so I better just not. But thank you for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you have a good day.